friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to show how you can check if your Apple MagSafe charger is genuine or not. So just in case if you are wondering if your Apple MagSafe or Apple MagSafe Duo charger is genuine product or cheap knockoff, latter of which could potentially damage your device, this little nifty tip is for you. It's worth noting that if you have an Apple sanctioned third-party MagSafe accessories like Belkin's offering, you won't be able to see a firmware version or model number using these tips. That said, let's see how it works. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, place your iPhone 12 series on the Apple MagSafe charger so that the magnets are perfectly aligned and charging is established. If your device is locked, you should see the charging animation on the screen. If it's unlocked, make sure to check out the battery icon in the top corner of the screen to ensure the charging symbol is shown. After that, launch the Settings app on your iPhone and then select General. Next, choose About. After that, scroll down and tap on Apple MagSafe Charger. Then check the numbers shown beside the firmware version and model number entries. If you see the MagSafe Charger menu in the About section of the Settings app, the charger is genuine. However, if the MagSafe Charger menu doesn't show up in the About section of the Settings app, there is a high chance that the MagSafe Charger or MagSafe Charger Duo is fake. If that's the case, you should immediately stop using this MagSafe charger because it could be damaging for your device. Once again, I would like to emphasize that it doesn't show up for genuine Apple approved accessories. That's it. So that's the way you can figure out if your Apple MagSafe charger is genuine or fake. If you have found this guide helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such helpful tips and tricks. Till then, have a great time. Bye-bye.